Today we'll talk about how can you pin it fit on your Bluesky app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on settings, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you just click here on my saved fits, just click on it. You come here to pin it fits, and here can you pin it your fits here. So here can you pin your fits. I have no fits here uh, except this here. So here can you pin it. That's all. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.